Bitcoin, it's a dump. Here is where crypto must get help. Social media plays a giant role in the crypto community, but that's not always a good thing. Reddit, Twitter, and TikTok have become virtual meeting places among crypto investors and enthusiasts similar to which also makes them an attractive target for a specific type of scam known as the pump and dump. Also known as rug pulls, these frauds took in more than $2.8 billion worth of crypto in 2021 and accounted for 37% of the year's crypto scam revenue from 1% in 2020, according to research from crypto data compressed Chainalysis. Crypto pump and dumps are when schemers use misleading information to raise the price of a currency after which they sell it at a gain. A current cautionary tale follows the experience of some investors with a content Squid Game cryptocurrency. One moment the Squid coin was ascending in value and the next it was fully crashing. The coin's creators are supposed to have cashed out and disappeared with $3 million from investors. Hey guys, welcome to Crypto World, where we tell you about Bitcoin. It's a dump. Here is where crypto must get help. So stay with us till the end of this video so you don't miss out on any of this information. And before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so you do not miss out on any of our wonderful videos in the future. And let's get started. A class action lawsuit was filed in January summoning Kim Kardashian and boxer Floyd Mayweather of pumping the price of EthereumMax, which is separated from Ethereum before company executives dumped the coin for a profit and left everyone else with primarily worthless crypto. We were not able to reach Kardashian and Mayweather for comment, and multiple other outlets have reported they either did not answer such request or could not be reached. There are over 17,000 altcoins, but experts advise you to stick with Bitcoin and Ethereum. That is because they have longer track records of value extension compared to the latest altcoins. With any crypto investments, experts suggest keeping your holdings at 5% or less and only funding in crypto if you have an emergency fund to have paid down the high interest account and are also pursuing a very conventional investing strategy. For investors who generally do experiment with altcoins, not only are they typically even more volatile and conjectural, but they also come with some risks like these pump and dump and other schemes. Here's what you require to know about crypto pump and dumps and how to stay far from them. Let us see what a pump and dump scam is. A pump and dump scam is when a massive trader, such as collaborators or coin founders, spread false or misleading information to inflate the price of an asset before selling off their shares at a higher price. This can result in regular investors losing a lot of money, and it's more probable to happen when buyers do not know much about a coin and are swayed by online promotions. In a highly unchecked investment market, things can get even more delicate. While pump and dump schemes are not legal and the stock market regulations for crypto are still progressing, so fraudsters are grabbing the opportunity to see what they can get away with. So here I'll give you some tricks on how to avoid crypto pump and dump scams. It can be tempting to jump on a vogue if you see other people making money or at least claiming to. It takes a big amount of self-control not to want to do what other people are doing, let alone a celebrity that you like. This happened with coin stocks and during the dot-com bubble because people did not understand what was going on, but they wanted in. The reason why people are falling for it is that they're not educated. Before buying a specific altcoin, Daniel suggests investors learn about a given coin's purpose and community. Go inside the rabbit hole and see what this is about. Worth comes from category kings when a company's name is now a verb, such as Google, or projects that help people do more better, cheaper, and faster. All the puff and all the FOMO is going to vanish away, and the winners are going to be the ones that are literally creating value. It is important to understand that the assets you're looking at and not just buy it as you like the idea of blockchain or decentralization. The market's progress because of human psychology. The fact that crypto is unchecked makes it easier for someone to run a scam, says Doug Boneparth, verified financial planner and president of Bonafide Wealth in New York. You're also having that puff factor that is the new cool thing factor. While many people got rich accurately for being early investors in crypto as a new asset class, these are still the early days of setting up a new financial system. In this newness, congenitally comes a lot of noise. To learn by yourself, you could start with the Bitcoin white paper as a way of understanding peer-to-peer payments. It's a good primer in terms of understanding how blockchain technology tasks. You need to understand the supporting technology behind all of this. Crypto is the Wild West presently. There's so much amazing creativity and utility and worth being created, but the extreme examples, both bad and good, drown out the more practical long-term material you should be paying attention to. The fact that crypto is highly unregulated makes it riskier, so even more reason to do your exploration. If you're going to invest in unsafe altcoins, start less and get a sense of how things work. Just figuring out how to connect your checking account to an exchange and buy crypto is a big learning experience. You're now trusting an untrusted system. Rather than throwing everything into a coin you just heard about, start by funding a small amount like $1 or $5 just to learn how things work. It is a $20 learning lesson that might pay you huge dividends by understanding where things are going, and maybe it will open your mind to legal investment opportunities. And even if you are done with losing $20 or less, that brings us back to another tip. Experts suggest do not invest more in cryptocurrency than you can get losing in case its value falls through the floor and then it's wrapped up in a pump and dump or other scheme. Recognizing and sticking to a strategy can make you less probable to fall for scams. Daniel says she is not tempted by pump and dumps because she focuses on value investing, where stock seems to be dealing lower than its inherent value. I apply Warren Buffett's value investing technique ironically, even though Warren Buffett's not in favor of cryptocurrencies, to my investment portfolios and to my crypto investment technique. Ethereum can be used to make other decentralized applications and mint NFTs, so as an investor, you can see its purpose after the coin itself. Figure out your strategy and risk forbearance, research the cons and the pros, and measure the market sentiment. When I see a high, I am like, oh, that does not even fit my strategy. I'm willing to miss out on a chance because I have a strategy I am good at. I do not look for trends on Twitter to say, okay, what do I need to buy? The influencer or celebrity might have their own reasons to promote a particular currency, whether they're getting paid as a spokesperson, or they hold the coin and want to pump its value, or they truly trust in it. But it's almost certainly not that they are just trying to help you get rich. If you see other altcoin investors discussing how they are so early to a given new coin, try to find out why there's a reason to think anyone else is coming later to invest more money. They are encouraging your investment, which will generally be the thing they're invested in. We are growing, but that does not mean go pitch your money in. That means go grasp as much as you can. Hey, I think that's going to do it for today's video, guys. We sincerely hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click on the like button and make sure you share it with all your friends and family and share our knowledge and wealth. If you have any questions or comments, please share them with us in the comment space below. We always love to hear from you, our viewers, and if you have any other feedback, any other questions, comments, thoughts about today's video, or maybe even suggestions for where we should go next, always, we are all ears for you, so let us know what you think down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel too, where you can see even more incredible videos. We are always updating and uploading things, so make sure you press that bell icon on your way out and make sure you stay in the know with us. We will constantly update you with great content and information here on our channel. You can also check out our other videos that have been specially selected just for you. We already have a lot of great stuff on here, and you do not want to miss out. And one more thing I would like to ask you before you go. Have you ever invested in an altcoin, such as some of the ones we're talking about, or do you mainly play it down the middle and stick with Bitcoin and Ethereum? I'm curious to know. Hey, thanks for spending part of your time with us today. We sure appreciate you, and we'll look forward to seeing you in our next video. Have a great rest of your day, and thanks for watching.